that goes round like that. As soon as, this is why when you change hands first and be right. Because that next movement is you turning like that into the current.
You're still bracing against the stick.
Right,
the
you
whole
still
time.
have to brace the stick. Yeah. So once you go from side on, which the current will naturally cut through, once you then turn that way, you're now creating a bigger footprint in the river, so more force will be applied to your body by the current. Right, so you need to make sure you've gone to here, then it's a methodical process, you're then ready to change, right, and just shuffle. You're not taking big steps, just shuffle round, make sure you have your footing and always bracing.
Do you turn upstream or downstream?
This is upstream and you're crossing, you're downstream.
And you're going to turn into the
So you're going to turn back. Still.
So come across at some point and then do a
just practice
roll
turning around,
moment and then
turn around before you get across first, so you know what you're going to do. So you're already the wrong way.
So the current's still coming screaming down. Make sense? Yep. Certainly will. Right. So then you'll have current, pushing on you. So it will become, you'll start to feel that difference. So
if I